हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो टॉपिक है इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज दोज हु हैव लॉस्ट दिस दे हैव लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग बिकॉज टाइम इज़ मनी इट इज़ प्रॉब्लम। सो टाइम को जिसने गंवा दिया उसका सब कुछ चला गया। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज टाइम। नाउ सी फ्रॉम एंशिएंट टाइम टू मॉडर्न डेज it was measured, it is measuring in different way. Okay, initially it was measured by sundial, then water dial, then sand dials. Okay, now it is quartz or clock, smart watch, atomic watch. So many uh, instruments are used to measure the time. Now what is time? Ongoing sequence of event is time. Whatever event is going on and how much for it is going, so that is called time. So we measure time in seconds, minutes and hours, sometimes in milliseconds too, because those who are going for competition of race, that one millisecond is very important for the game. And what is the value of time? Actually real value, the person who had lost the race for millisecond, he knows the value of time. If anybody is going to hospital and when it reaches the hospital and doctor says if you would have come 1 minute earlier, then you would have saved this life of this person. So that time we understand the value of time. So time is very important in all the way. So without wasting time, let us start our topic 2. So basic unit of time is second. So mostly the basic unit of time is called second. Also some people say minute, hour, whatever, right? So first of all, how many milliseconds are there in 1 second? So 1000 milliseconds are there in 1 second. You can get the screenshot of this screen for learning, right? Now how many seconds are there in 1 minute? In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Now we are going for hours. 1 hour there are 60 minutes, or if we consider seconds in 1 hour, it is 3600. What is that? Multiply of this 60 into 60 is equal to 3600. Why? Because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So if we convert hour into second, then it is 3600 seconds. 6 6 are 36 and 00. So 3600 seconds. Now one day. In one day, how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. If we convert 24 hours into minutes, means 24 into 60 is equal to 1440 minutes. If we convert 1440 minutes into second, multiply by 60, 86,400 it is there. So one day is equal to 24 hours below, or you can say 1440 minutes, or you can say 86,400 seconds. Okay, these are the different units for one day. Now 1 week. 1 week is having 7 days. Here also you can multiply and you can make the formulas. 1 month has 4 weeks approx, because there are some days other than weeks too. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. 1 year, how many weeks? 52 weeks and 12 months or 12 months you can say. 1 fortnight. Fortnight is it the period of 15 days. So fortnight is equal to 15 days. Now leap year. What is leap year and why leap year is occurring? Leap year based on the revolution of, okay, you know that earth revolves on its axis, right? Then it also moves around the sun. सन के आगे पीछे मूव होता है, right? Then also on its axis, ये अर्थ है, on its axis it moves, and then also whole body also moves. When whole body moves, it takes 366 days. Okay, 366 days. not actually, it comes after 4 years. After 4 years. Why? Because in 1 year it moves 365 into 1/4. That is solar year. Solar is equal to 365.25 मतलब 1/4. सो ऐसे सोलर ईयर आप 4 करेंगे तो 25 प्लस 25 प्लस 25 प्लस 25 इज इक्वल 100 मीन्स 1. So that's why after every 4 year leap year comes and it has 366 days, and it is decided that which month is having more days in leap year. 29 days are there in February month. Okay, but this 29 year days comes after 4 year. So in simple mathematical language, you have to remember force divisibility for leap year. Why? Because if you can divide the last 2 digits, ones place and tens place, by 4 without remainder, then it is leap year. जो भी ईयर है, सपोज 2024 है, ओके, यू हैव टू टेक लास्ट 2 digits 24. If you can divide 24 by 4, 4 6 are 24, then it is leap year. Okay, so 4 का टेबल में ये लास्ट 2 digit आना चाहिए, तो आपका वो लीप ईयर है. एंड इन लीप ईयर 366 days are there, and in February month 29 days are there. So this is the formula or units of time. Now we'll study about the conversion of time, how minute to second, second to minute, hour to second. So if you remember this, it's very easy. In a previous video I have said that for big unit to small unit multiply, and small to big unit divide. This is simple formula you have to remember. बड़े में से छोटा तो मल्टीप्लाई, छोटे में से बड़ा तो डिवाइड. बाकी सब ये यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, ये सब चीज़ आपको लर्न करनी है. और वेन एवर इट इज़ आस्क्ड टू कन्वर्ट, देन यू कैन कन्वर्ट एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. ओके, वी आर गोइंग फॉर सम एग्जाम्पल्स विथ कन्वर्जन. सो गेट रेडी फॉर दिस. Now see, here are some examples of conversion. First example is very easy. 2 days equal to days hours. So 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So only just you have to multiply by 24. 2 days plus 24 hours is equal to 48. 24 2 ja 48. So answer is 48. It's very easy. Now 3 hours is equal to how many seconds? So you should know 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? So 3600 seconds, 3600 seconds are there in 1 hour. But here how many hours are there? 3 hours. So you have to just multiply 3600 with 3. So what is the answer? 36 3 ja 108, and 2 zeros you have to add. So this is seconds. So it is very easy when you remember the units of the formulas. Now third example, sorry, not fourth, it is third, and this is fourth. Now see, 1 hour and 45 minutes is equal to 10 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? And 45 minutes is equal to how many seconds? That you have to write. Okay. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. As we know that 3600 seconds हो गया. अब 45 मिनट में कितने सेकंड आएंगे? तो 45 इंटू आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 60 सेकंड. तो 45 इंटू 60 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? तो इट इज about 2700. I am directly writing because I have already done. So 2700 00363. So answer is 6300 seconds. Okay, if you don't know, you can multiply here without 0. 6 5 are 30, 3 carry, 6 4 are 24, plus 2 3 27, और 60 है तो 0 ऐड करना. Okay, simply you can multiply and you can get the answer, but you should know this. So without this you cannot convert, right? Now 4.2 hours is equal to how many minutes? 4.2 hours. It is given in decimal. So first of all you have to convert this into fraction. So 1 point after point 1 decimal number is there, so it will come 10. Now 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So you have to multiply by 60. Big unit to small unit multiply. Now 0 0 cut. Okay, if you multiply 42 into 6, so 6 2 is 12, 1 carry, 6 4 is 24 plus 1 25. So 255 minutes. राइट, दिस इज द आंसर. यहाँ पे सब में हमें बिग में से स्मॉल किया है तो सब में मल्टीप्लाई किया, सब में बिग में स्मॉल मल्टीप्लाई, बिग में स्मॉल मल्टीप्लाई. एक एग्जांपल ऐसा लेते हैं जिसमें स्मॉल टू बिग करें. जब सपोज 3700 सेकंड इज इक्वल टू डैश मिनट, सॉरी डैश मिनट एंड डैश सेकंड. तो कैसे करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे 3700 डिवाइड बाय 3600 बिकॉज 1 मिनट इक्वल टू 36 सेकंड्स. तो यहाँ पे कैसे करेंगे? 0 0 0 0 कट. राइट, अब इसको फ्रैक्शन कट नहीं हो रहा है तो फ्रैक्शन को मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 36 1 जा 36 तो 1. राइट, तो क्या करेंगे? पहले में क्वेश्चन आगे लिखेंगे, रिमाइंडर है पीछे लिखेंगे. तो 1 आवर 1 मिनट एंड 1 सेकेंड. राइट, तो इस तरह से आप आंसर लिख सकते हैं. ओके, 1 आवर नॉट, इट इज 3600 किसमें 1 आवर में, सॉरी यहाँ पे आवर आएगा और यहाँ पे मिनट आएगा. राइट, तो 3700 सेकेंड्स को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1 आवर एंड बिकॉज 3600 टू 1 आवर, तो क्या बचा? अभी 1 आवर और आपके उतने सेकेंड्स. राइट, so this way you can get the answer. We are doing some more 2 examples, then you can understand properly. Now see, 2 more examples are there. First is 1 day 4 hours is equal to dash minutes. First of all you should know 1 day is equal to how many minutes? 1 day is equal to 1440 minutes. Okay, इसका सॉल्यूशन हो गया. अभी 4 आवर्स है तो 4 आवर्स से how many minutes? 4 आवर्स इज इक्वल टू 4 into 60 इज इक्वल टू 240. 6 4 है 24. राइट, अब इसका टोटल करेंगे एडिशन 0861. What is answer? 1680. It is answer. Simple. It is multiply and fit addition. Now one sum is like this. This is problem sum. A train travels 3 km in 2 minutes. How much will it travels in 6 hours? First of all, what is given here? 2 minutes given and 6 km. Here question is of 6 hours. तो either you have to convert this in minute or you have to convert this in hour. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे? इसको 6 आवर्स से how many minutes? 6 आवर्स इज इक्वल टू 6 into 60. राइट, 6 आवर में कितने मिनट होगा? 1 आवर इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स. तो 6 आवर में 360 मिनट्स हो गया. राइट, अभी क्या हो रहा है? 2 मिनट्स 3 किलोमीटर. सो हियर मिनट्स, हियर किलोमीटर. 2 minutes it covers 3 kilometer. Right, now how many minutes we have? 360. So how many kilometer it covers? 360 into 3 upon 2. 18 2 जा 36 तो 180. 18 3 जा 54 और एक 0 ए है तो 540 किलोमीटर द आंसर. तो सिंपल, पहले यूनिट सेम है वो चेक करना है. यूनिट सेम होगा तो ही यू कैन कैलकुलेट प्रॉपरली. So 2 minutes, first of all 6 hours equal to 6 into 60 is 360 kilometers. Sorry, hours. Now 2 minutes it covers 3 kilometers. So 360, how much? So 360 into 3 divided by 2. So cancellation 182 ja and 180 into 3 is equal to 540. So this is the solution. You can also change the digits and you can practice at home. So for today's video this much only. We'll meet in again in new video of time some tricky questions. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.